How to delete Spotify account permanently. So in order to do that, what you can do is you can click on your profile icon right here, which is this one. So from there, click on the settings and privacy, and in here you can see your account. So what you can do is when you click on the this account option, and in here you can see your email, and in here you can see this delete your data permanently. Click on this close your account option. Now from in there, this will load and it will show you to the delete option. However, if they can't find the page that we're looking for, you can head over right here to your browser and then just go to the Spotify right here. So we have in here Spotify, click onto this view account option and you can see this. Now from this, just scroll down and here you can see this options. So if you want to delete your Spotify account, you can click onto this account option. You can click onto this three lines and you can also just log out or you can just head over and click onto this account as well. Now in order to make this permanent, just head over and then click onto this sign out everywhere and you can close your account permanently. So that's how you delete Spotify account permanently. Hope you helped.